How to enable or disable TikTok restricted mode. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Quick Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your TikTok account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you'll find different options. Head towards the profile option given at the bottom right corner. After you land to your profile, at the top right corner you can find 3 bars. Tap on it. Now different options will pop up. Head towards the option settings and privacy. Open it. Now over here you will find different sections. Under content and display you can find the option of content preferences. Open that option. Now head towards the option restricted mode. Open that. From here you can easily enable or disable TikTok restricted mode. If you want to enable, you can tap on the option of turn on. Now you have to set a passcode to turn on restricted mode. After you type in that, tap on next. Again confirm your passcode and tap on set. With that you have just turned on restricted mode in your TikTok. In the case you want to disable it, you can tap on the option of turn off. Now you can enter your passcode that you have just set. Tap on next. Now you have just disabled TikTok restricted mode. So this is how you can easily enable or disable TikTok restricted mode. This was very simple and quick process. I hope now you guys are clear about how to disable or enable TikTok restricted mode. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.